Welcome to the science class. In today's science class, we will learn to make your own rainbow. So let's get ready for this.
Experiment name is Make Your Own Rainbow. What is rainbow? A rainbow is an arch of different colors that you can sometimes see in the sky when it is raining. Things you need are sketch pens, tissue paper and water tray. So students, let's get ready for the magic rainbow. And for this we will be using sketch pens, tissue paper and water tray. And here I have taken a tissue paper, and after that I am going to take black sketch pen to make rainbow boundaries on the one side. And here I have completed all the boundaries for the rainbow. And once you have drawn all the boundaries, turn your tissue paper. You will see that black lines have got printed on the other side also. And it's time to make the rainbow more colorful with the help of sketch pens. Here I have started coloring the rainbow. Hey, we have colored it so beautifully, isn't it? And students, for magic rainbow, please ensure that keep your uncolored side on the top. And now it's time to dip this tissue in the water tray. Now everybody, let's count 3, 2, 1 and go. Oh wow! We have made our rainbow with the help of tissue paper. It's looking so beautiful. So my dear students, I hope you all have learned the steps of making your own rainbow with the help of tissue paper. And now it's your time to try the same at home and share your feedbacks. And do you know, students, how many colors are there in a rainbow? Okay. Let me tell you. Colors of rainbow. Rainbow appears in 7 colors because water droplets break into the 7 colors of the spectrum, that are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. I hope students you all enjoyed making the rainbow today. Now take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you.